How to build more beds in Palmon Survival. So the beds usually reside at the bottom part of your island, like here. You have a few Palmon beds at first, but eventually you will run out of land. So what you're gonna do is to find more sections where you could possibly get more land, like over here. And you're gonna have to defeat the enemies that is near that section. So if it's going to be here, you're gonna defeat this nearby enemy, and of course, you're gonna need to be strong enough. You need stronger Palmons. I don't think my Palmons are strong enough to defeat these Palmons right now, but we're just gonna go ahead and show you how fast we are gonna be decimated. But once this is done, we can go ahead and skip this, honestly. And for some reason, we did win. But anyways, we can go back to our map and, add more land just by getting more gold, get this extra reward, go ahead and add more land, get this, no more extra rewards, I guess. But as you can see, you just do that process until you find this section into the map. It's usually at the bottom part of the map. So focus on adding more land there. And if the building does say something like this, like level 11 for your camp, you're going to need to level up your camp to that level. And if you are at that level for your camp, this will appear, which will be the price. And if you do have enough of that resource, you can build that new, building or bed. Supposedly, we're just showing an example of what it would look like if the resource was shown. But that is supposedly how you can get more beds in Palmon Survival. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.